I don't know. So this is the first time I'm doing a video and an update video for a car and a live. So I don't really know how much of this I'm going to keep, or if I'm going to edit it, or if I'm just going to, raw dog it. Why can I never make eye contact with the bolt that I'm taking out? I'm always like looking away. Gaskets are here. Appreciate it. Got gaskets from O'Reilly. Ow! Yeah. You guys love it when you're in like selfie mode and you open up your camera. You're like, my God. We just did overview of the Nugget, looking fine AF. What you know about that Nugget? How are we doing, Rob? How's life in Savannah? Fuck kids. Okay. Goddamn kids. Get off my lawn. They're the ones been doing all the whacking. Before I was so rudely interrupted by my ADHD earlier, I'm like getting into fights with, well, not like fights, but I have people like chirping lately. So I had, first off, someone commented on, and I don't give a fuck. I have fun with it. Let's be clear with that first off. But, fuck this hose. They commented on a video about the dangers of the pre-welded Dynacorn side assemblies that I did as a video made to help people save money on their conversions, right? By buying the unwelded versus the welded. So it's fairly informative video versus the other normal chaotic shit that I throw out. This guy comments on the video. He's like, completely unwatchable production or some shit like that. I responded with, title of your sex tape. Like, my first cars were slow, but they were loud. Kind of like me. I'm having knee replacement surgery tomorrow. I'll be like the bionic woman. Starts raining outside. You're like, let me get my oil. I laugh because I do that. I do that myself. Found a 10mm up here in the woods of Alaska. See, I know there's portals around with shop gremlins. That's where they took it. So this is a 289 Torkel. Goddamn propane and propane accessories. That forklift is leaking propane like a son bitch. Oh, Peggy. Just like that, honey. Here. Hoop-de-doo. Hello, Burrito. Do I have any tips for a mechanic? There are ouchies and boo-boos. Always use protection. What kind were you talking about, Jesse? So many tips, not enough time. Title of Derry's sex tape. Just be prepared to make a lot of old fucking man sounds. I don't even know if that guy's in here anymore, but I'm just going to continue giving mechanic advice as I use parts of my body that I have used incorrectly being a mechanic, and now I'm paying for it. I mean, you could go through caravan forums and figure out how to pull the code. Fucking piece of shit. Who would want a damn Q50? Oh, let me get to that, bud. Where is your Bugatti? I woke up in it, but I left it at home. Okay, a Q50. Let me tell you about yourself, bud. So you're getting it's an automatic, mind you, but you're getting Nissan's luxury brand. The seats make love to you. They have nice lumbar support, which I'm fucking old, so that's important. Everything is incredibly comfortable. I don't like the infotainment center during most years. That's kind of dog shit. It rides smooth as shit. 300 horsepower. All-wheel drive, cruises through the snow here in the mountains, handles like a fucking dream. The car is just, it's luxury and it's Nismo-ish, you know? Holy shit, you have a radio voice. JT coming live from you in Salt Lake City, Utah. Much appreciated, buddy. In a land before time, one man, one taco truck. Get to the chopper. One man, one pink Mustang. What will he do? He's gonna cut it in half and turn it into a fastback and get boo-boos and ouchies. You know what I could do is I'll just start like a voiceover service where I just narrate your life like you're walking down the street, like, and Harry gets out of bed, scratches his head, wonders why he gets up every morning. Now he's showering. Now he's on his way to work. The coffee still sucks from Maverick. Someone is honking and they don't know where the fuck they're driving. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna. Whoa, there she blows. Oh yeah, this is totally gonna work. Not a drop spilled. Okay, the UPS driver just walked in with Will Woods and then walked back out. He just walked in with Will Woods and then walked back out with Will Woods. I want Will Woods. Will Wood. TP for my bunghole. My bunghole. Ito. you need TP? I know. Hunter, you're 40. I don't give a fuck. It's going to pee on me, isn't it? You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Mariah Carey makes me want to kick a kitten. Like a cute kitten, not an ugly kitten. One of those hairless cats. I want to kick the shit out of that. Mariah Carey makes me want to kick a cute kitten. Say that 5 times fast. Kick a cute kitten, kick a cute kitten, kick a cute kitten, kick a cute kitten, kick a cute kitten. I got my kid, she's in T-ball, and I got her to start flexing at me once she gets on first base. She'll hit it like 3.5 feet and then like get on first base and turn around and look at me and go, oh, there you go, you basic bitch. What's up, bro? I'm your daddy. I'm your daddy. I'm your daddy, yes. Righteous! What do you do when you're not fixing Mustangs? Sleep, play a little softball, you know, the women's game that was slowed down so that men could play it. I do some of that. The dripping ram. Mm-hmm. I know it well, bud. A lot of people don't think to do this, but when you're shopping for mufflers, do it on YouTube. So take the list of mufflers that you want and then just type them into fucking YouTube, and someone's bound to have them on their car and you can listen to the exhaust note. Okay, so it was a seagull, and I had this vision in my head of the seagull coming by and just like bombing at the perfect angle through the garage door, so I ducked for cover. I apologize. Did you guys see the Aurora Borealis? The Aurora Borealis? I wanted to see it. It's going to be tonight, though. It's supposed to be more Aurora-y and even more Borealis-y.